Today we will talk about how to make money through artificial intelligence. We've got 14 ideas that you can run with. Each of them requires access to some sort of AI tool and a bit of strategic thinking. But each is accessible for those looking to make honest money online using AI. Even if you don't create a business or side hustle out of these, you can still improve your productivity by learning how to use AI. 1. Write blogs or copyright with AI writers. Content creation is the lifeblood of almost all digital marketing. Traditionally, it's a process that demands a significant investment of time and creative energy, from brainstorming and researching to drafting, editing, and finally, publishing. Depending on the topic's complexity and the content's length, this process can span hours, days, or even weeks. This opens up a world of lucrative opportunities for content creators and digital marketers. Businesses are always on the hunt for fresh, engaging content. It's what helps them climb the search engine ranks, captivate their audience, and cement their authority in their industry. Copywriting and content writing can be lucrative careers or side gigs. As long as you continually improve, use AI in smart ways, and are easy to work with, you can make money writing quickly. Our favorite tools you should check out are Jasper AI and Sonic. But there are plenty of others out there as well. 2. Create and sell AI-generated artwork. AI art is exploding on the scene, opening up new opportunities and marketplaces in the art industry. Artists traditionally spend hours, days, or even weeks creating a single piece of art. They need to come up with a concept, create the artwork, and then find a way to sell it. Today, there are AI design tools that make it easy for anyone to make AI art. AI art generators can create unique pieces of art in minutes. The best let you iterate on an image until it reaches perfection. It might seem like a hack, but creating graphics people want to buy with AI is no easy task. Prompt engineering is a real challenge in a saturated art market, but if you hone your skill and find a niche, you can sell AI-generated art in no time. Pro tip: pair AI art with a print-on-demand service to sell on your own online store website or use an e-commerce platform like Etsy. It's a better way to go than selling JPGs and might increase your profit margins. Oh, and don't infringe on intellectual property. Better to think of your own ideas than to try and sell pictures of Mickey Mouse. 3. Indie product development. Developing a product, especially in the tech industry, is complex. It involves conceptualizing an idea, designing the product, writing the code, testing, and finally launching it. This process can take months or even years, depending on the complexity of the product. AI code assistants like Copilot can significantly speed up this process. They provide real-time code suggestions, automate repetitive tasks, and even help debug your code. This means you can develop your product faster and with fewer errors. Need some inspiration? Indie developer Luis Pereira created Audio Pen, which skyrocketed to mobile app success, all from an audio note-taking app. Product development is a lucrative opportunity because there's a growing demand for niche tech products. If you're a developer, or aspiring, you can leverage AI code assistants to increase productivity and bring your product to market faster. You'd be surprised what you can do with AI and a little tenacity. 4. Freelance as a digital marketer. Digital marketing involves a wide range of skills. It's a more complex process to master because it requires a deep understanding of different platforms, channels, and strategies, and how they all fit together. AI marketing tools can automate many marketing tasks. Maybe a little more important is that they can help you create marketing campaigns, analyze your results, and iterate your strategies based on predictive analytics. This is a profitable opportunity because businesses are looking for ways to reach their target audience and increase their sales. Small business owners often realize their need for help but don't have the time to learn new skills or technologies. If you're a digital marketer, you can leverage AI tools today to deliver better results for your clients in less time. 5. Sales ops optimization. Sales operations involve a lot of repetitive tasks, from managing leads and tracking sales to analyzing performance data. It's a time-consuming process that can take away from the time salespeople could spend on building relationships and closing deals. AI sales tools like Gong, Seamless.ai, or SendSpark can automate many sales and management tasks. They can help manage leads, track sales, analyze performance data, and even provide insights on improving sales strategies. The only problem? Many businesses don't know what is available to them, and those that do face a steep learning curve for implementing powerful AI tools into their sales processes. This is a lucrative opportunity because businesses always look for ways to increase their sales and improve efficiency. By mastering a few AI sales platforms, you can consult companies on the technology and even offer to implement sales operational tools as a service. 6. Professionally edit photos. Professional photo editing is a meticulous process that requires a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of various editing tools and techniques. It involves enhancing colors, adjusting lighting, removing unwanted elements, and more. This process can take hours, depending on the complexity of the image and the level of detail required. iPhoto enhancers like Topaz Photo AI, Photoshop Generative Fill, or Luminaire can significantly speed up this process. They can automatically enhance colors, adjust lighting, and even remove unwanted elements. There are even AI image upscalers to add high resolution to pixelated photos. This means you can edit more photos in less time without compromising quality. Bulk editing is possible, too, so you can apply a particular style, with AI, to hundreds of images. This is a profitable opportunity because there's a growing demand for professional photo editing services, from businesses needing product photos to individuals wanting to enhance their personal professional image. If you're a photographer or a graphic designer, you can leverage AI photo enhancers to increase your productivity and take on more clients. If not, it's not too late to get started. 7. Configure and deploy AI chatbots. Customer service is a critical aspect of any business. However, managing customer inquiries can be time-consuming and requires significant resources. This is where AI chatbots come in. Website chatbots can handle customer inquiries 24/7, providing instant responses and freeing time for your team to focus on more complex tasks. They can answer common questions, guide users through processes, and even assist with sales and bookings. This is a profitable opportunity because businesses always seek ways to improve customer service and increase efficiency. If you're a new developer or don't mind learning conversational AI technology, you can offer AI chatbot configuration. You can set up website integration and gather together a knowledge base and any internal documents to train a chatbot for businesses. Then deploy it to the satisfaction of your client. 8. Social media video editing. Creating engaging social media videos is a key strategy for many businesses and influencers alike. However, video editing can be a little much to handle for many people. And since it involves both software and skill, things like trimming footage, adding effects and transitions, and syncing audio are too much for many people. Even before AI, video editing was commonly outsourced to professionals with the means to get the job done well. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.